Yahoo! Welcome back to Talk in Japan. I'm Amanda. Today, let's learn how to say hello in Japanese. In Japan, there are many different greetings for different situations. Using the right one can help you sound much more natural and polite. So in this video, we'll learn 8 common ways to say hello that Japanese really use. それでは始めましょう。First is a greeting from the morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. This is the polite way to say good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. So if you are talking to a friend, family, or people you know well, you can just use shorter Ohayo. Ohayo. But if you want to say more polite way, you can say Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu you can say not only in the morning, but you also in the first greeting of the day, even is in the afternoon. Ohayo gozaimasu. For example, if you go to the company at 12 p.m., you just first meet to your boss, you can say Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu to your boss or to your colleague. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Next is the probably most famous Japanese greeting, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. This is a general hello that you can use during the daytime from the late morning until the evening. So konnichiwa is a very safe and common greeting for most situations. If you are not sure what to say during the day, you can say konnichiwa. 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 When it starts to get dark outside, we switch to different greeting. Konbawa, konbawa. This means good evening. So this is a standard polite greeting for the evening time. Konbawa, konbawa. Domo, domo. Domo is a very quick and versatile greeting. You can use it when you pass a neighbor or someone you know casually. So no need the full conversation, just acknowledgement. Domo, domo, domo. Next, what do you say when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while? So you can use hishashiburi desu, hishashiburi desu, hishashiburi desu. This means long time no see. So hishashiburi desu. So hishashiburi you can use with your friends. You just plus the desu to make it more polite. Hishashiburi or hishashiburi desu. Long time no see. Hishashiburi desu. Next, hajimemashite. 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 You say hajimemashite only the very first time you meet someone. Hajimemashite means nice to meet you. So you only say when you meet the person the very first time. Hajimemashite. So after you say hajimemashite, maybe you can say your name. Hajimemashite, Amanda desu, which means I'm Amanda, nice to meet you. Hajimemashite. Moshi moshi. So moshi moshi is a very special greeting. This one is very important because it is only used for a phone call. So you say moshi moshi when you answer the phone. Moshi moshi. Or to get other person to attention if you can't hear them. Moshi moshi. Moshi moshi. So you would never say this to someone face to face, only when you answer the phone. Moshi moshi. Moshi moshi. Yahoo! Yahoo is a very casual greeting you should only use with your close friend or maybe family. So it's definitely not for your boss, your teacher, or any formal situations. So Yahoo have 2 common feelings. The first one is like shouting Yahoo when you are in the mountain or a wide open space to hear an echo. So it's come from the feeling Yahoo. And the second way is say hi or hey, Yahoo, Yahoo. Alright, there was 8 different ways to say hello in Japanese. So as you can see, not only konnichiwa, you can use other way to greet people. So if this video was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn more practical Japanese with me, please subscribe to Talk in Japan channel. So thank you so much for watching today. I really hope this video will help you on your Japanese learning journey. So I will see you in the next video. またね